Good morning to all. So today we are going to discuss electrochemical series or EMF series. Now single electrode potential can be determined by using reference electrodes like standard hydrogen electrode, which happens to be primary reference electrode, or calomel electrode, which happens to be secondary electrode. So reference electrodes are known electrodes, so by using those one can calculate the single electrode potential. Now, by measuring the single electrode potential values, arrangement on the basis of their standard potential values. Remember, when we use the term standard potential, it refers to the standard reduction potential. So, what EMF series is, that is electrochemical series, is the arrangement of electrodes with half reaction on or in decreasing order. Remember, in decreasing order of standard potentials. So remember, the species at the top of the electrochemical series has large positive value of standard potential, and that at the bottom, I mean species at bottom of the electrochemical series has low values of standard reduction potential. Now we need to take care of conventions. So conventions used in construction of series, that is electrochemical series. Now very first important thing to be noted is the reduction reaction. Reduction reaction is to be considered while arranging the electrode materials. So most importantly, remember, the potentials means what? Standard potential means standard reduction potential. So standard potentials are measured for reduction reactions. I mean standard reduction potentials are needed to be considered. Now we need to arrange the elements on the basis of decreasing order of their standard reduction potential values. So what it means? Now remember, half reaction having positive standard potential value, what it indicates, and half reaction having negative standard potential value. Now what is the meaning of it? That is most important thing. So prior to that, we should know that the standard potential of hydrogen is 0 volt. We know very well. So the electrodes along with half reactions which have positive standard potential values are placed above the hydrogen and electrode with half reactions having standard potential values negative, I mean negative standard potential value, are placed below the hydrogen in electrochemical series. Now remember, in half reaction, what is the suggestion? Consider the half reaction Li plus electron give Li. Now the standard potential for this reaction, which in turn represent the standard reduction potential, it is minus 3.04 volt. Minus 3.04 volt. Now, species at extreme left undergoing reduction, as we are considering reduction reaction. So species which tend to reduce itself is oxidizing agent. So in half reaction, the species present on left are either cation or molecule of non-metal accepting electron, and hence those act as oxidizing agent. And species on right of the half reaction is either neutral atoms of metal or anions of non-metal, and those are reducing agents. So that is to be noted. Another very important thing, the half reaction with positive standard potential values. Half reaction with positive standard potential value indicate that the reaction favor the forward direction. For example, consider this case. For example, F2 plus 2 electrons gives twice of F minus, and standard potential recorded for this is plus 2.87 volt. Now what it means? It means that fluorine eagerly gain electron and undergo reduction. Therefore, fluorine is strongest oxidizing agent, remember, as it readily undergo reduction. So, positive E0 value suggests that the reaction favors the forward direction. And on other hand, negative E0 values, for example, consider this reaction again. Li plus electron gives Li, and standard potential recorded for this is minus 3.04 volt. It means that it hardly undergo reduction. So forward reaction will not happen. Then what? It favors the reverse reaction. I mean oxidation of lithium producing these two, I mean Li plus and electron is favored, and that is indicated by the standard potential values. Thus, by knowing the standard potentials, one can predict the direction of the reaction. I mean reaction in which direction will occur can be predicted easily. Now another very important convention, when we reverse the half reaction, then ultimately sign of standard potential changes but magnitude remains same. For example, consider this reaction again. If we reverse this can be given as Li gives Li plus electron. Now standard potential, what about the standard potential of this? Standard potential for this will be just what? 3.04 volt. Now remember, magnitude is same but sign get reversed by reversing the reaction. If we multiply the half reaction with any numerical factor, then remember, standard potential values should not get multiplied, as standard potential is intensive property. It don't have to do anything with the matter. So that is to be noted. If at all you will multiply this equation, this half reaction by any, say by 2, then what it becomes? So by multiplying this, twice of Li plus 2 electron gives twice Li, but the standard potential remains intact, I mean remains same. That should not get multiplied by that very factor, as standard potential values are intensive properties. Now these are some of the important conventions to be remembered. Now very important thing, applications of electrochemical series. Applications of electrochemical series. Now very first application to be discussed is the relative strength of oxidizing agents in terms of standard potential values. Now remember what oxidizing agent is and what it does. Any species which undergoes reduction, species undergoing species undergoing reduction act as oxidizing agent. Now we know very well that the electrodes along with half reactions having positive standard potential values are placed above hydrogen, and those species can act as oxidizing agent as they readily undergo reduction. For example, again consider this reaction. F2 plus 2 electrons gives twice of F minus, and standard potential recorded for this is plus 2.87 volt. So this half reaction has standard potential of plus 2.87 volt. This indicates that the forward reaction is damn spontaneous and occur readily, and forward reaction is reduction reaction, I mean F2 undergoing reduction. Thus reduction reaction is favored, that is indicated from the standard potential values. Hence fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent. So one can say that species at the top and that too on left side of the half reaction act as strong oxidizing agent, and as we come down the series, then the tendency to act as oxidizing agent seems to get decreased as there is a decrease in standard potential values. Another very important thing, species like F2, Au plus, Ce4 plus, etc. These species have large standard potential values and hence eagerly undergo reduction and act as oxidizing agent. Now another very important application is relative strength of reducing agents in terms of standard potential values. Now reducing agent undergo oxidation readily, I mean any species which undergo oxidation easily act as reducing agent. This is very important thing. Now in electrochemical series, the species, I mean electrodes along with half reactions for which standard potential values are negative are placed just below the hydrogen, and those species can eagerly lose electron, I mean undergo oxidation readily, and thereby they can act as a strong reducing agent. Now consider, for example, Li plus electron gives Li, and standard potential for this is minus 3.04 volt. We have discussed it before. Now negative standard potential value suggest that the forward reaction is uncomfortable, I mean it will not happen for sure, and negative standard potential value purely indicate that the reverse reaction is favorable. So reverse reaction for this is Li gives Li plus electron, and potential, sign of potential, standard potential changes to plus 3.04 volt. Remember, magnitude remains the same. This purely indicates that the lithium tend to lose electrons so eagerly, I mean undergo oxidation readily, thus act as a reducing agent. So one can say that the species which are placed below hydrogen in electrochemical series can act as the reducing agent, and remember that too on extreme left of the extreme right of the half reaction. So species on left of the half reaction and that too above hydrogen are oxidizing agents. and species on right of the half reaction, that too below the hydrogen, are reducing agents. Now third very important thing is the spontaneity of redox reaction. Now remember, while coupling a cell, we need to use two different materials whose potentials differ for sure. I mean, one of the electrode must have the higher potential, what we called cathode, and another material to be used must have lower potential, and that material act as anode. So now when the difference in potential of two material is large enough, then the cell reaction taking place inside the cell happens to be spontaneous. I mean, if potential of cell comes positive, then cell reaction is spontaneous. So consider the cell coupled by using magnesium anode and silver cathode. So for this, we know the standard potential values, and standard potential values for reduction reactions can be known simply by using electrochemical series or EMF series. Now, oxidation taking place at magnesium and reduction taking place at silver. So potential of cell can be determined as standard potential of silver minus standard potential of what? Magnesium. Now we know very well the standard potential values of silver and that of magnesium. So the net difference comes positive. Net difference comes positive, and it clearly indicates that if standard potential of cell is positive, then the cell reaction taking place inside the cell is spontaneous, and if not, that reaction will not take place on its own. Thank you very much.